Welcome to your ultimate guide to healthy eating. In today's fast-paced world, making the right choices for our bodies can be challenging. But with the right guidance, nourishing your body with healthy, delicious food can become second nature. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or just feel great, this guide will show you how to eat for optimal health. Let's start with the basics. What is healthy eating? At its core, healthy eating is about balance, giving your body the nutrients it needs while enjoying a wide variety of foods. It's not about restriction or fad diets, but fueling your body with the right mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In this video, we'll break down each food group and how it contributes to your overall well-being. First, let's talk about the building blocks of nutrition. Our bodies require 6 essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each of these plays a unique role. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source, proteins are essential for tissue repair, and healthy fats support brain function. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and calcium strengthen your immune system and bones, while water keeps everything functioning smoothly. Now that you know about the key nutrients, how do you incorporate them into your meals? A balanced plate is a great way to ensure you're getting what your body needs. Aim for half of your plate to be filled with vegetables and fruits, a quarter with lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based options, and the remaining quarter with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Don't forget healthy fats such as avocado or olive oil to round out your meal. Here are some practical tips to make healthy eating easier. Spend time preparing meals ahead of the week to avoid unhealthy last-minute decisions. Be mindful of portion sizes to maintain balance and prevent overeating. Water is essential. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt instead of sugary or processed snacks. By preparing your meals at home, you control what goes into your food. When choosing foods, prioritize whole, unprocessed options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are packed with the nutrients your body craves. On the flip side, try to limit your intake of highly processed foods, added sugars, and excessive salt, which can contribute to health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. By making small, sustainable changes, you can nourish your body and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, it's not about perfection, but balance and mindful choices. So take the first step today and nourish your body with wholesome, delicious food. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness.